So hey guys, today we're going to learn a new TikTok application that looks like the Instagram application, and it is called the We. So I'm going to tap on the search bar here and I'm going to show you how that application does look like. And it looks like this since this is its logo. Now, in this We application, what we should know is that TikTok did create this update to look like Instagram, but not Instagram, but have some few features like Instagram. Now, the thing is that some countries may not be able to access the We application and may need to wait, while some other countries like Europe have accessed it. But maybe since time has passed, We has been able to give most all of the countries an opportunity to actually experience the We application. And as you can see, since some of the people did say that only an Android can be able to download this type of application, but maybe even in the Instagram application, you can be able to download it. So I'm going to tap on the install, and once I tap on install, it will be installed in my device. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.